a root beer and Elena's trying to steal it.
You gave it.
Santa's here!
I want
But
so bad.
who is not here? Guys, where's Nadine? Nadine betrayed us all the way to Florida.
Yogurtland.
Here.
Yogurtland.
I choose because Santa's hungry. So, yes. Wait, actually, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go buy nachos because I'm hungry. Again. So many people. Like, what the heck? What time is it? It's like 7 right now, and we're lining up for the hot dog house. Why is it so long? I joined the line. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I don't know. I don't know either. See, it's 7:30, and we're almost there. I'm going first. I'm first. Hot dog house. Oh my God, you're so scary. Santa had no reaction. Okay, now do you. So, I think it was very fun and very scary, but yeah. I was laughing the entire time. What the heck?
Your daddy.
Reaction! Reaction!
I was only holding on to. Elena's shirt.
My boss, he was so perfectly fine. After this, it was like, someone put my head on the bed.
In round 2,
You can use the props, right? Hey, the props for you. Sitting here. Am I
Yeah, Emma's like so effortless. How long can you do?
I don't know. Why should I say hi to YouTube?